JT's Pig Roast, 9th annual. The setup. Yes. Bears. Boo boo!
She loves underneath the power lines down there.
Oh yeah?
You should have seen her nose. Bro, there's a bird. There's a bird. There's a nasty squirrels in some of them trees, huh?
Oh, that mug.
Adam, get in here, man.
Nice. That's a picture. What are you guys conjuring up over here?
Don't you worry about it.
Yeah, exactly. There's problems stirring over there.
You just stand.
Be.
Hi. Say hi.
Hi. What are you girls doing over here? Now you're on film, and that's that. What do you got under there? Cheers. Pre-JT's Pig Roast number 9. Pre-party. Pre. Saturday night action.
Playing.
Hello!
How do you do, kiddo?
Oh yeah. You definitely get it.
Something's begun. What up? All the songs are like, oh well, oh well, oh well, oh well. Tell me more, was it love at first sight? Tell me more, did you put up listened to it for a minute, but then I changed it, getting a little bit stronger, just a little bit stronger.
I got an 8-foot bed that never has to be made. You know, if it weren't for trucks, you wouldn't have tailgates. I met all my wives in traffic jams. They're just something women like about a suburban man. Woo!
We got 40 people in the bags tournament this year. So that's 20 teams.
I got an extra microphone. I'm standing here all alone. That might have to wait until the Jaeger's gone. He thrives on women, but don't we all? Doesn't he look like a rock star? Let me tell you again, doesn't Casey look like a rock star? Let's bring the boys up.
Jennifer Nettles?
She's kind of new.
Yeah, right.
Who's Jennifer Nettles?
Sugarland.
She sang a song with Bon Jovi once.
Well, you know, I've been playing a lot of shows. And I'll tell you what, coming up to Elmhurst makes me feel like I'm home.
Yeah!
Let's give it up for JT's.
Yeah!